Welcome to our channel. Today we have a special guest, our Babiji. That she gonna help us, gonna cook us a new dish. Let me introduce my Babi. Please welcome Dr. Preeti Dayal. She's my Babi, sweet Babi. So how are you, Babiji?
I'm good.
So how is your life?
Going good.
So we are so happy, we are so excited to introduce you in our channel. We
Thank
would
you.
like to, please cook something for us today. This is your show today, and let's get started.
Thank you. What do you want, Devaji?
Babiji, I would like to eat some sweet. Will you cook sweet for me?
Sure. So today we are cooking double ka meeta. It's my sister's favorite dish. So I want Kevin to get introduced to the sweet which my sister likes.
Oh, really?
Yes. So it was her childhood favorite. Where we, in our childhood when we were like experimenting with our cooking styles, like we like to explore, right? So that is when we had this little bread, little milk and sugar which are like available in house, and then just we experimented. But it came out very good, and from then Tina is like, she wants double ka meeta anytime when she's down. So this is for my sister.
Oh.
The ingredients are 1 loaf of bread, cashew, kishmish, badam, ilachi, sugar as required, and some boiled milk. Action.
So, Bobby, please tell me, what shall we do? Like, what is our first step?
See, cooking always needs saving some time. So, meanwhile, first we have to cut this bread slice. We have to remove all the 4 sides here. So, meanwhile, I do this. I need your help.
Yes.
We will first put this sugar and some water to make a sugar syrup.
Okay, so you
Meanwhile,
want me
the
to...
sugar syrup boils.
You're gonna
we'll prepare our
cut
spices.
Yeah, so you want me to make it...
Action.
So for 1 loaf of bread,
Yeah.
we are using 1 small cup of sugar. The quantity of sugar varies with person to person.
Okay.
So it's their individual choice to either increase or decrease the quantity of sugar.
Oh.
So generally this is a moderate
You mean to
quantity.
say the medium?
Yes.
ज़्यादा
It's
ऊपर
not
नहीं,
too
ज़्यादा
sweet
कम
or
नहीं.
yeah.
अच्छा, हल्का हल्का. Okay.
Yes.
So we can eat a lot when we have a medium sweet. So medium sweet is very good. So here I'm gonna make a sugar syrup as my Bobby instructor, and while she cutting her
Can you
bread.
lend me some chopping board? Devaji?
Yes. Here, please take the knife, and I'll get one chopping board. Here we already arranged a chopping board here. Yes. Here, Bobby ji.
Yeah.
Okay.
So friends, as it is Corona time, I request all of you to wash your hands. I know we do it, but sometimes we tend to get carried away. Definitely wash your hands, make it dry, and then start cooking. It's more safer. Thank you. So now the bread has the outer layer. Now we have to cut a thin slice of this. So try to put it in a linear pattern or a straight line so that the dish looks little presentable. Not very perfect, but near to square. Now again we have to cut this slice into 4 pieces. So these are some small cubes what we made out of 1 slice
Action.
of bread. I don't feel like discarding these things because there are many tastier recipes what we can make out of these outer crust. So better save this. You can have it in milk also. Like you can put it in milk and then have it. So try not to waste food. Put the induction stove in boiling mode.
Milk.
Yeah. Could be something like that. Boil then. Put the sugar, Devaji.
Okay. All of it?
Yes.
Okay. Then next Babi ji बोलिए.
Pour some water.
Water.
Let me check the quantity. In India or in Asian countries, we always do it in what do you call it? Andada.
Approximate.
Approximate, yeah,
Everything is
even
approximate,
I know
like,
this approximate.
You see and then you know.
So here I'm gonna add water.
Yes. Let the sugar soak and
Okay.
1.5 inch level above the sugar.
Okay. You want me to more?
Yes.
Acha.
We need all the bread slices to get soaked into that water. So when we were small, we didn't even know that we have to take the outer crust.
Ah, वैसा.
So ऐसा ही डाला हमने.
अच्छा.
हाँ. So it was tasty too, but now people want more perfections now.
Even I don't know that we need to cut this outer part late, the most cooked one, the fried one.
Generally, I somehow like the outer crust.
Yeah, it's tasty actually.
Yeah, actually it's tastier.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. चलो
But
भाभी जी
ये-
आज है तो आप मेरे को double का
Excuse
मीठा-
me, she's cooking for me, okay?
उचित.
In the age of Instagram and the social media, everything, like people are more stressed about being presentable.
So apart of this sweet, what other dishes you cook, Bhabhi ji?
See, generally Devaji,
Uh-huh.
it has been years I didn't even cook double ka meeta. So this is after a cute request from my sister
Uh-huh.
to cook it.
Oh.
These days, we are watching more videos of how to cook rather than we cooking ourselves.
That's true.
So I thought, let me take a break and then, cook. So cooking for loved ones is like always a cherishable moment.
Bhabhi ji, how long it will take to make this syrup? 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
10
कितनी
to
देर
15
लगता है?
minutes.
15 मिनट तक
I
लगेगा?
told you it's all approximate. It's about what you see.
Uh-huh.
You need that consistency, right?
So we have to make that.
So it's not a very thin syrup and not a very thick syrup.
Uh-huh.
It's a medium syrup. It should be thinner than the syrup what we do it for gulab jamun.
Uh-huh. So do you know where exactly this dish came from? From which country? Is this from our Indian dish or it's Mughal or Arabian?
I'm not sure, but I think it's more from the Middle East.
So we are thinking that it is belongs to Middle East. If you know the answer, please give us comment. Please let us know. Double ka meetha kahan se aaya? So we want to know the truth answer. Please give a comment in the comment list. So let's share it.
So the bread slices are ready. We almost try to make them in even similar size shaped squares or cubes. So Devaji, first we have to put the pan
Okay.
and we need to put ghee.
The Indian ghee.
Yes, the desi ghee.
They say ghee. Okay.
Every Indian sweet is nothing without ghee.
Oh.
And ghee is an emotion.
Oh, nice. So are you
So,
going to fry this
Yes.
bread?
There are two methods where you can fry the bread.
Uh-huh.
One is where you take a huge amount of ghee and then you just do a deep fry. But this is little healthier version where you do a pan fry.
Medium size of this one. Okay, pan fry.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's see how Bhabhi ji
So
gonna
after
fry.
the ghee gets heated, just put the slices.
Do you want me to help you?
Sure.
Okay, so it's set. We'll wait for one more round. Okay. If you are enjoying our video, I encourage you to please subscribe our channel.
Flip our
Yeah, I see the smell, Babaji.
Yes, yes.
So smelly, right?
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Need to turn into golden brown.
wow.
Yeah.
Kevin, would you like to get another spoon?
Yeah.
Go.
भाभी जी आप आसो ना एक बार अरे 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 this is how we're gonna have time to pass while we're cooking our dish. So
This is the right color of double powder. I love this color. This golden brown. Yeah, this one. Yeah, yes, yes. Right, your pen.
nice.
This is awesome.
So as you can see, we kept the heat around 160 degrees. That is a suitable heat to fry the bread.
Yes.
So here we see some of dishes are
You have space here.
here. Wow, I'm learning new dish. It's good to learn new things. And,
Always.
भाभी जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने हमको हमारे व्यूअर्स को नया डिश सिखाने के वास्ते. So I hope the viewers also will cook this double ka meetha in your homes. Yes, in a sweet way.
बस करो
easy way.
देवर जी.
अरे रे रे आप बोल हम बहुत बहुत खुशी पहली बार जिंदगी में मैं देख रहा हूँ ये डबल का मीठा कैसा बनाने का.
क्या डबल का मीठा पसंद
अभी
है?
तक नहीं देखा था. मैं बहुत बार खाया मगर
हैदराबाद में पैदा हुआ
हाँ
है।
हैदराबाद में पैदा हुआ मगर
वहाँ खा के
बहुत बार मैं डबल का मीठा हैदराबाद में हर एक फंक्शन में डबल का मीठा मिलता है मगर this is my very first time that I'm really watching how to cook cooking of the double ka meetha. Even I really don't know the process. And even some of viewers also they are very new. Even they don't know how to cook double ka meetha. This is a bumper offer. You're gonna learn. This is our video. So help us that we get day by day professional. And if you're really enjoying our video, I request you please subscribe our channel and give a comment and like it and click the bell icon. You'll see down and try to share the video with your family, friends. Babiji, please you also share this video to your friends, neighbors, relatives, colleagues. Help us that we'll reach maximum number of people will learn how to cook double ka meetha from Babiji. We'll try to do more videos with our Babiji. Are you enjoying Babiji?
Yes,
Your
yes.
channel? Are you
Yes.
enjoying cooking?
Little
Videos?
nervous, but yes.
How are you feeling this in a YouTube channel? This is your first time coming into YouTube?
Yes.
Oh, this is your first time, but still Babiji is great. Yes. So we're excited. We're gonna use it in our channel again and again. I hope you also open a channel. Do you have any channel? Do you have your own channel? Like, are you
No,
planning to open a
but
channel?
my sister always encourages me to open one,
Uh-huh.
but I'm still camera shy.
Uh-huh.
Every person will have something to express, right?
Yes.
So yeah, maybe sooner or later I'll open a channel. ఇది కొంచెం తెల్లగా మిఠాలా ఉంటుంది మన డీప్ ఫ్రై చేయట్లేదు సో దేవజీ this sugar syrup we have put it for boil
Yes.
while we were cutting our cubes.
Yes.
So this is how the sugar syrup is.
I think it's cooked. What do you
Yes,
think?
Yes. It's not running either, or it's not like getting sticked.
Uh-huh.
It's
I understood,
yes.
yeah.
So this is the medium
Syrup.
thickness syrup.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I agreed that cooking is an art. You should know exactly the measure. You have to feed your food while you're cooking, right, Babiji?
But having said that,
Uh-huh.
this may not be the perfect recipe, or
Okay.
this may not get the authentic taste what you eat in hotel.
Uh-huh.
But it's all about how much love you put into your cooking,
Okay.
how much passion you put into your cooking, and how much happy you are and how much happy your family is.
So can I say
With the
something? Anyone in the beginner stage, anybody can cook in this style.
See, what is perfect is embracing our imperfections.
Our Babiji is also a great philosopher, you know. You see? Wow. So we are learning new things.
Yes.
We're learning. Thank you so much for educating us, Babiji. So
So now
what
it's
we're
time
gonna
to put our
do? The bread, fried bread.
bread
Into the syrup
sugar
directly.
syrup.
Yeah.
One.
Uh-huh.
Let the bread slices completely soak into the sugar syrup and let it rest for 5 minutes so that the syrup gets absorbed into the bread slices. And then
I can smell the double ka meetha already, right? So,
bas karo devachi.
Arey, Babiji. So, I know this dish gonna be great. Because from the beginning onwards, we maintain exactly. We're doing everything as per what do you say? As per our protocol.
Medical guidelines.
Medical
Food
guidelines, food guidelines.
But I don't think we are sticking to it. It's more of a garka khana. So every house has its own recipe, right?
So what I believe in this COVID-19 time, the parents, the children, and the husbands also, they're learning to cook. They're enjoying their time in a home while cooking.
True.
So I know after this pandemic, everything gonna be not as same as before. There will be change of attitude in our families. So what I believe in this pandemic time, the families have that great bonding together. They are spending time together, you know, cooking, eating, you know, not going out. This makes family good bonding and.
So just you can lift the vessel
Uh-huh.
and then just do it like this
Uh-huh.
so that the pieces. So some Hyderabadi chefs,
Uh-huh.
they just put the bread slices into the syrup and then put some dry fruits and some kova.
Uh-huh.
So that's one style. And another style is re-adding milk into it.
Okay. So
I prefer milk because it gives that desi feel, ghar ka feeling.
acha, homemade.
Yes, homemade.
Homemade feeling. So here we're gonna add the milk.
Yes. Slowly. Little thing.
So we didn't add much. It was only a bit for a taste, I believe.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
For the taste. So you can just lift it and then flip it. These dry fruits can be roasted directly or can be chopped. I prefer roasting them in a whole because I feel that
Uh-huh.
the nut in such,
Okay.
the dry fruit in such, somehow I feel it in that way. But you can chop the dry fruits and then roast.
So भाभी जी बोल रहे हैं कि अगर चॉप करना चाहिए तो चॉप करियो, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली आप फ्राई भी कर सकते हो. उतना है ना हमारा भाभी जी.
Yes, yes.
Right. So हमारा भाभी जी को पसंद ये है कि डायरेक्टली she don't want to cut it, she will fry. जैसा है वैसे ही फ्राई करके डबल का मीटर में डाल तो भाभी जी को लगता है कि
वो लोग अच्छा
दिखना,
लगता है, हाँ.
हाँ वो दिखना चाहिए. That okay.
Yes.
ठीक है भाभी जी.
So first we'll go for badam.
और भाभी जी yes.
Better we put badam first because it gets little time to get roasted.
Uh-huh.
And then
So पहले
after
आप
badam gets little roasted, then followed by cashew.
cashew. बादाम के बाद काजू डालने का और काजू को भी वैसे ही you do the same thing like how you're gonna fry the almond.
Yes.
And
Devaji, we need to put some fresh ilachi powder. We'll pound this ilachi
Uh-huh.
So that gives it
So here I'm pounding the
flavor to
ilachi.
the sweet. The most essential tool in every Indian kitchen. We prefer it fresh and grounded. So the flavor is like really fresh.
Wow. So this is a very useful instrument in kitchen because Indian cook a lot of spices. It's good us that we make our own spices using this one, instant spices. So, it's called ilachi in India. This is also a sweet spice.
Cardamom.
Cardamom, yeah. In English we can say cardamom. So भाभी जी इसको स्मैश करिए, पाउडर की जैसे बनाइए, फिर उसके बाद में उसमें डालेंगे. So ये डबल का मीठा में इलायची की फ्लेवर, cardamom की फ्लेवर is very very important.
In West they generally use cinnamon.
हाँ.
In East or in India we generally use cardamom.
Cardamom. Okay. So here I'm gonna put this one into this.
Yes.
So this is a outcome
Yes.
after pounding.
So our dry fruits are ready.
This is an outcome. So, shall we add this Babiji?
Yes. Now we'll bring the. We can roast dry fruits in the ghee, or for a little healthier version, you can roast them in the oven, or you can dry roast.
Okay.
Little bit of less calories. Little.
In oven.
In oven, or you can dry roast in the pan also.
Acha, without using the ghee, no?
Yes.
Okay, got it. So, take this step for healthier life.
So it's time for us to garnish.
Garnish, okay. Garnish time.
We'll take first we'll put the
The
red slices. Action. Garnish with little ilachi powder. And the roasted dry fruits on the top.
Here is your yummy yummy double ka meeta ready. Do try it at home. It's really delicious. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment down, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.